guys, this is me, Stormy, and today I'm gonna be making slime. 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 Okay, so let's get on to the video. Okay, so you would need borax. You need borax, water, glue, PVA glue, something to stir with, and a mixing bowl cup or something. And you will need shaving cream, foaming soap, detergent, anything. You really don't even need soap, but soap is what makes the slime better, because try it without soap in it and you will not like that slime. I'm telling you, I tried it. But you can try. I mean, it's like really bad. I don't know. So first thing first, you're gonna pour your glue in. Now pour your glue in your cup. Okay, let's pour it in there. Sorry, it got quiet for a second. Got quiet. Alright, so you're just gonna keep pouring on that. Because I'm running out, so I'm just pouring the rest. Ooh, but it's wasted on the counter. Okay, I'm about to clean this up real quick and then we'll start. Hold on. I'm trying to learn, guys, how to edit. Still trying to learn. I have to get my friend to teach me. She knows how, and I have to get her. So you're gonna need to pour your shaving cream or your soap. You need whatever soap. You can use body wash, any soap. It will work, I promise. So you're gonna do some pumps. I just did 2. And then you're just gonna stir it. This is what it looks like. Again. Alright, now you're gonna take your borax. You're gonna add water. Add your water. Oh, and you don't need borax. You can take your contact lens solution or your slime activator, your Tide, whatever you use. Just keep stirring it. Warm water works best. And you want to keep making it until it forms into a ball. It made a slime really quick. I'll put some more until it's not that sticky. I like my slime sticky a little bit though. I gotta get everything off the cup. Okay, so now you're gonna take your slime. Take your slime off. Or take it off. Take it out the cup and start kneading it. I have a band-aid on my finger, so I'm trying to do it one hand. It's very foamy. This is just some borax. It's this stuff. That's what it is. I'm trying to make it more stretchy with that. Putting some more. Got some more out of here. Okay. Okay, so there it is. Okay, so I'm gonna get whatever else out of this cup, out of this. A bubble, guys. Y'all see the bubble? There's slime forming inside of the bottle. That's crazy. I'm putting one little squeeze. Okay, so there it is. The slime, guys. Okay. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got slime on my hand. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow because this is my last video of today. I made 2 videos today. Peace.